Oh, let's take it back over here. What it do? What it deezy? It's your boy. Take it easy, you heard? So September 3rd. Most of y'all, probably, if y'all work at the DOE, I know school is starting up September 5th or something like that. Starting up, right? So what I'm gonna do, as part of the good vibes is I'm gonna teach people how to as a business get into the Department of Education. You feel me? And I'm gonna do a workshop. It's gonna be September 3rd. It's gonna be in Communitize, Hay Ground, Harlem, and Harlem. Okay. And yeah, I'm gonna give the 1-2 steps how I decided to get into the DOE, how I did it the first time, the ins and the outs. And if y'all there, y'all there. If y'all not, I gave out the sauce. Cause once school start, your boy gonna be busy, and all these questions y'all asking me, it's gonna go unread, okay? So I'm gonna just do one workshop and call it a day. One of the things I'm gonna teach during this workshop is this. I'm gonna do it right now, so I see ain't no cap. And for those that's like, oh, why should I even come? Why should I listen to this man? Who is this man? I've been with the DOE for now 3 years. I made 6 figures with them doing this exact same process I'm about to tell y'all. This year probably was my best year, and we about to do it again, okay? So, one of the things that you're going to need to know about is this Galaxy budget and how to read a budget line for the New York City public schools, right? If you come to this website, which I'm going to give to people that come, and this right here is how much the schools have to spend on businesses. Don't worry about everything on the top, but this OTPS budget right here, curriculums and staff contract, educational consultant. This is why I tell a lot of people when you starting your business, just be a consultant, because now you could hit all of these lines. You could hit a library books, you could hit furniture, you could hit textbooks, you could hit educational consultant, you could hit transportation. How can you hit all of those as a consultant? You could just partner up with other businesses to hit this budget line. Something that you need to know is that every single school, if you're a vendor, you can spend, they could spend with your business 25,000 if you're not MWBE. And if you are minority woman business enterprise, they could spend up to 50,000. So imagine you have two schools at 50,000. That's 100K. So that's what I'm be teaching, how to get access to these principals, how to get access to these schools. And yeah, if y'all don't come, it's gonna be recorded, and I'm gonna sell it to y'all. Okay. But yeah, my name is Ebro. This is Good Vibes. I help students go to college debt free, and for the next 3 years, I'm gonna be helping entrepreneurs get their MWBEs and secure government contracts. Why 3 years? Because after the third year, I'm be up, okay? Hopefully I could be up with me, and we get to this together, get to this bag together, instead of just trying to keep the information to ourselves and not share it. I don't get that. That'd be weird energy. Start with that weird energy and keeping information to yourself, y'all.